What are you doing, baby? Are you cooking corn? You gonna put the corn in the oven? Okay. Oh, no, back in the refrigerator. In the oven. Yeah, you better wash that corn first. It looks dirty. Is this your Dora the Explorer kitchen? Nope. You gotta go in the refrigerator. You have to talk to Grandma. She's getting rid of this, she said. Yeah. Gio.